Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. My name is Nurin Muhammad Nasir. My final year project entitled Diversity of Insectivorous Bat in Mainland and Island under supervision Professor Muhammad Tajuddin Abdullah, and my co-supervisor is Associate Prof. Dr. Nobuyuki Yamaguchi. So, for the introduction, bats are the second diverse group of mammal on Earth after rodent, with 1,160 species according to Kunz and Pesson 2009. Insectivorous bats also avoid artificial and natural light and also restricting flight and feeding shadow. Okay, the third point is bats play a significant role in providing ecological and economic services, such as important ecological prey and predator, control of arthropod disease vector, host for parasite, bioindicator, and the last one is biological pest control by Keso and Balakrishnan 2013. Okay, for the objective, the aim of my study is to investigate the diversity of insectivorous bats in mainland area and island. And the second one is to compare the diversity of insectivorous bats between mainland and islands. Okay, for methodology, sampling site. The first point is sampling site. Second point is bat trapping, bat identification, and that's a 3 point, sorry. So for methodology, we went to 6 different places, which is 3 for island and another 3 for mainland. At the island, we went for at Pulau Perhentian, Pulau Redang, and another one is Pulau Bidong. And at mainland, we went to Bayou Walk UMT, Merapu Pahang, and Sarawak Kenying. For this time being, so we just finished 5 sampling site, and we have to do for another one sampling site, which is at Bayou Walk UMT. So for bat trapping method, we use 10 mist net and 2 hub trap, and each mist net and hub trap will place at below canopy level and at specific places such as water stream and forest trail that we believe to be flyways for bats. And all the mist net and hub trap will check repeatedly from 6:30 AM until 7 PM, because 6:30 AM until 7 PM is the active time for insectivorous bat. And then after we got the sample, we put the sample in the cloth bag and we hang the sample to avoid bats dying. Okay, for bats identification, we do the morphological measurement by using a digital caliper. We measure the ear, forearm, hindfoot, high body, tail in millimeter. And we also use this one digital analytic to weight the bat in gram. So the adult and juvenile bat were determined by epiphyseal diaphyseal fusion on the third finger, according to Kunz 1988. So after we got the measurement, we will use Kingston et al. 2009 and Francis 2008 for reference to get the species name. And then after we got the species name, all the morphological data and species name also were recorded in data sheet. So this is an early result. So this is number individual at island and mainland. Island, we got 52 number of individual, and for mainland we got 57. And number of species, at the island we got 11, and mainland we got 16. And this is a common species, Hypersiderus bicolor, both island and mainland. This is the maximum species that we got at island and mainland. So study achievement. Okay, study achievement to investigate the diversity of insectivorous